Good morning, everyone. So sadly today is Debarkation Day, but we are actually refusing to leave. We're gonna stay here. We have back-to-back cruises for Christmas and New Year's, and so we are going to show you today the process that we have to go through to disembark and re-embark. I don't know if that's how you say that, but to get off and get back on the ship. So we'll take you step by step on that process on the Carnival Horizon. So we got our Carnival Horizon back-to-back envelope. Hi there, we are delighted to have you sailing with us on a back-to-back voyage. Get ready because you are in for double the fun. We just need a moment of your time to provide you with some information that will make the transition between cruising smooth and easy. So basically there are instructions in there for what we need to do to get back on the ship, because we do have to go through customs and so immigration, and then they'll bring us back in here. So we'll show you guys that process too. But they did give us three complimentary back-to-back drink coupons and complimentary back-to-back photo coupon, but it's with the with the back-to-back banner. So I'm not sure exactly how we'll do that, if we'll do individual pictures or if we'll just, try to do pictures together or whatever. And then these are our in-transit guests, and if we decided to get out in Miami and not stay on, we would use these to get back on so that we could do the priority boarding. So that's cool, but we're gonna stay on the ship because we live in Florida and we do not want to go to Miami again. We want to stay on the ship and enjoy it as much as possible. And Dan got himself a new friend, Fun Ship Freddy. Is that his name?
Yeah. They said they stopped selling these guys. I looked online and they said they weren't available anymore. It was just like hit and miss, and we were lucky enough they only had 3 left and I got one.
Yay. You'll start seeing him in the background of our videos. So the first thing that I will say is you don't get to sleep in, even if you have the same cabin, which we do. We were lucky enough, blessed enough that we found the same exact cabin back-to-back cruises. So we did it on purpose so we wouldn't have to pack and move everything. So everything is still here. So that's great, but they're still gonna wake you up. He woke us up at 8, he woke us up again at 8:30. So you have to get off, you have to leave the room. They want you out of the room by 8:30. I wasn't prepared for that, so since everything's staying in here and they have very little to do, I just kind of got ready as best as I could because we have to meet them at 9:15 at the Reflections restaurant downstairs for our process, which supposedly is to get off the ship, go through I don't remember. We have to go get off the ship, go through customs and everything like that, and then get back on. I don't know how long that process is going to take. It takes a different time depending on your port, depending on your ship, depending on the organization. So we're going to see how it is here in Miami. Let's go. So it seems like a lot of people had the same idea for the back-to-back cruises because this place is packed. And we got here at 9:15 because we were trying to get here at 9:05, but there was a whole mix-up with how you get here. So if it ever happens that you're on Carnival Horizon, don't go to the front where it tells you to for Reflections, go to the back, which means it's closer to the casino elevators on 4, and then you go down 1. And that's how you should be able to find the back way into this, because the front is where people are disembarking, and that was a mess. So I had to fight my way through that, just try to speak to a member of the fun squad or whatever to kind of figure out where to go, and thankfully they guided me. But yeah, it's really packed in here. I don't know how long this process is going to take, but I'm guessing forever. We brought cards to play because I think we're going to be here a while. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? I'll let you know. Dan also told me that it's actually raining outside like a lot. I haven't been up there. Like I said, I came directly from my room here, or at least tried to. So I haven't been outside at all, but I guess it's raining, so that has a lot of the people all indoors instead of waiting outside on the deck and this and that to hear their names or numbers or floors, whatever it's called. So they're all stuck inside, which makes the hallways and everything crowded as well. Plus they're cleaning all the rooms. You should have been out of there by 8:30. So they're closing off the doors that lead to the elevator. So that was a fun experience too, to have to talk to somebody and ask them where the elevator was, because it says it's here, but I don't see it. It's because they have it closed off. So they had to guide me through. So we just got our sailing sign card, but now we have to wait for the lady that comes around and takes pictures of us.
Finally, it took us 2 hours and almost 2.5 hours before they're letting us off the ship to go through customs. It's been a process, but at least we had a place to sit down. They did provide some juice, some coffee, some danishes, so we weren't let without completely, but it's taking a little longer than I thought it was going to. What? Definitely a lot of people doing back-to-back. I don't know what the total number was, but I would say it was easily over 100 people. Maybe 150 if I had to guess. There was a lot of us waiting. Any of you guys watching ever done back-to-back cruises? If so, which cruise line and how did the process go? This is our first time, so we're rookies at this. Hopefully it won't be the last.
I'm ready for a new order. Yeah, for a new one.
Thank you. Huh? We should have recorded that process, but basically all they did was scan our silent sail card and look at our ID. In our case, it's a passport. But that was it. We're boarding right back again. So 2 hours and 20 minutes later, that's all they did. Maybe this part here. Oh, that's pictures. We're taking them this time? That's weird.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you on the show.
Thank you. Come on, baby. Hey. That picture. That'll... Thank you. Hold on to me. Have you done back-to-back before? Yes. And has it ever been like this, where you have to wait this long? Yeah. Oh my gosh. I figured. Well, the rain must not have helped. Oh, did they? Oh, really? Oh, okay. That explains a lot of it. Oh, okay, okay. That makes more sense then, at least.
Yeah, we did too.
We were happy about that. A couple of back-to-backers explained that there was a couple of incidents where somebody had chest pains and another person slipped on the gangway. So that explains why there was such a delay. I wouldn't want that. Yeah. Okay, and we have boarded again. So the actual boarding process, reboarding, is not hard at all. But the wait was ridiculous. But it was, I guess there was issues. You good? Hi. Hi.
Hi guys,
Hi.
teams or kids camp?
A
Never
dreary.
seen the Lido deck so empty.
Yep, the Lido deck is very empty because we are one of the first ones on the board, probably the first 20 or something.
New Year's cruise, embarkation day. We had to get the Funfetti cheesecake as always. But look what we found. Little one found. They have gelato.
Flavors of the day.
Flavor of the day. How did we not see this before? So she got mango with marshmallows, rainbow sprinkles, and chocolate sprinkles. Interesting combination, but she said it's good. Yeah. Back to the goodness. Who does a mustard Joe first? Come and eat this first. Yum. So we just received a knock on the door, and we're told welcome back for being back-to-back cruisers. Check this out. We got, like, what are these? Raisins or peanuts? Chocolate-covered raisins, cashews, blueberries, and I don't drink at all. This is some kind of French white wine. I don't know anything about wine because I don't drink. Either way, look at this cool gift that we got for doing back-to-back cruising. This is really cool. Is this the kind of stuff you guys normally get when you do back-to-back? Let us know in the comments down below because I have no idea. It's our first time.